we'll guide you through how to use Obsidian for marketing. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open Obsidian and make sure your vault is active before creating a marketing workspace. Start by opening settings using the gear icon. Then go to the Community Plugins section. Click Browse to access the plugin marketplace and search for Obsidian charts. Select the plugin from the results, install it, and click Enable to activate the feature. After the installation is complete, close Settings and return to your main workspace. Create a new note and name it How to Use Obsidian for Marketing. Inside this note, add a section titled Active Campaigns. Use this area to write your marketing information, including campaign ideas, SEO keywords, content strategies, or future plans. After adding your campaign details, create another section called Monthly Sales Revenue. This section will be used to display your marketing data visually. Press Ctrl+P to open the command palette, then search for charts. Insert New Chart and press Enter. Choose Bar Chart as the chart type from the available options. Next, configure the chart settings by entering your X-axis labels as January, February, March, April, and May. Set the Y-axis label to gross sales in dollars and add your sales values as 150, 220, 410, 380, and 550. Adjust additional chart options such as smoothness, width, fill style, colors, or the option to start the chart at 0 based on your preference. Once everything is ready, click Insert Chart to place the visualization into your note. Obsidian will create the chart automatically and display your marketing data in a clear format. You can use this chart to compare monthly performance, review campaign results, and track improvements in your overall marketing strategy.